shipped 4 industry-grade projects in just 90 days using AI. Stop watching theories, start implementing. Here is the practical blueprint.
Hi friends, so today we will see how I have optimized my coding skills and optimized my workflow by using Claude Code in the VS Code along with GLM 4.7 as a LLM. As everyone is aware of, Anthropic is quite costly when we compare the plans of Cloud Opus 4.5 or something. These models are quite expensive. So I was searching for the options which will give me an open source model and which has a free or some kind of cheaper plans available. So I have found out how I can integrate GLM 4.7 with the Claude Code, and by using this I have completed 4 industry level projects and delivered them in last just 2.5 months. So this is how I have increased my productivity. Some of the projects are quite bigger, which you can see right now. I have used Whisper models and fully STT to TTS conversion is there by using so I have also used my own LLM module for the offline support, and if the full extension is required, I have integrated with the Gemini live interactive APIs. So I will be giving you the guide how I have did it in the upcoming videos. Now let's see how I have integrated GLM 4.7 with my current VS Code. So as you can see, this is Z.ai website. You must have this monthly or quarterly or yearly subscription of GLM 4.7 to use the API key. So I have came to the API management. I can see my API key over here. I can just copy it. You can create your own API key. After copying it, I will move to the VS Code. I will go to the settings और मैं यहाँ पे settings पे click करके after clicking on setting I just search Claude environment variables. So you can see settings.json claude.e. If I search, I will get this Claude environment variables. Edit in settings.json. So after coming into this, you can see this Anthropic auth token. The value is there, Anthropic base URL, and Anthropic default haiku model, Anthropic default sonnet model. Though this is 4.6, I am changing it to 4.7 now for you. And API timeout. So I will be giving you this whole payload for you so that you can use it. After this I can save it and I can simply close the VS Code, and I have simply reopened the code, Claude Code. Now I will click on the Claude Code. Those who don't know how to download the Claude Code in VS Code, so you can go to the extensions and just search Claude Code and you can install it basically from here. This is, you can say, Anthropic Antic. You can download this. So for the verification purpose, let me run the query on which LLM you are running. So let's see what is the answer of the AI. So this is determining. So you can see I'm currently running on GLM 4.7 large language model from Zhipu AI. Okay, chat GLM. Okay. Okay guys, thank you. So let's see you in the next videos where I can show you how we can increase our productivity by using various AI tools, and how I have been working with the various AI tools in the development along with the vibe coding, and how I have completed almost CR plus projects in just 2.5 months. Thank you guys.